From self-driving cars to smart cities, communication is everything. And at the heart of this communication is a protocol you might not think about, CAN, or Controller Area Network. CAN has been the backbone of automotive electronics since the 1980s, allowing different systems in a vehicle to talk to each other like the engine, brakes, airbags, and sensors. But in the era of smart vehicles and IoT, CAN is evolving beyond its original role. In smart vehicles, CAN is being upgraded to handle more complex data and faster communication. For example, electric vehicles rely on CAN to manage batteries, motors, and charging systems. Advanced driver assistance systems use CAN to link radar, cameras, and braking for real-time safety. In autonomous cars, CAN integrates with Ethernet and other networks to ensure smooth communication between dozens of sensors and processors. This makes CAN a key player in making vehicles safer, smarter, and more energy efficient. The future of CAN isn't limited to cars. In the Internet of Things, CAN provides reliable communication for smart factories, connected healthcare devices, and even renewable energy systems like solar farms and wind turbines. Its strengths, low cost, robustness, and real-time data sharing make it ideal for IoT environments where devices must work together seamlessly. With the rise of Industry 4.0 and intelligent transport, CAN is evolving into protocols like CAN-FD, which supports higher data rates and larger messages. This ensures CAN remains relevant in a world of AI-driven cars, connected homes, and massive IoT networks. So, the future of CAN lies in powering both smart vehicles and the growing Internet of Things. It's not just a protocol, it's the nervous system connecting the devices of tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Pen Content Digital for more insights on technology and innovation.